Alright, we're talking about multi-step word problems, and you should have made an 70 or better on the inequalities 2 quiz before coming on to this. So for this first one, we're talking about a wise man once said we really want to think about what's rational and whether or not our answer makes sense, okay? So for this first one, it says 400 reduced by 3 times my age is 21, okay? So 400 reduced by means minus. 3 times, that's 3 multiplied by, right? The age that we don't know if you're using a variable is, and is means 100. Is means equals, and then 217, right? So the question asks what's his age, so I need to figure that out. So my first step's gonna be to do what? Subtract 400, right? I'm gonna subtract 400 from both sides because I need to get the x by itself. That's my whole goal. Get the x by itself. So we're gonna subtract 400. Both sides of the equation. Da 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 da. Sorry, I don't know why it makes it look like a 9. 400 minus 400 is a big fat 0. Oops. Don't get the minus sign in there. All right. Oh, that should be oh, that's reduced. And then I have negative 3x equals 200 minus 400, or sorry, 217 minus 400. I'm going to use the calculator so I don't make a silly mistake, because that would be silly. It gives me negative 183. Negative 183. I now need to divide by 3 because the 3 beside the letter is multiplication. It's negative in this case, right? So I'm going to divide by negative 3. Make sure I divide whatever I do to one side, I do both sides because that's properties of equality. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So x equals, we'll go get a handy dandy calculator again, wherever he went. And then we're going to divide by 3 negative, because you should be using a yellow calculator. If you're not, you need to pause the video and go get one. It's equal to 61. All right, so let's think about whether or not this makes any sense. All right, so we know that 3 times 6 is 18, right? So 3 times 60 is 180. So 400 minus 180 should be about 220. And since it's 61 and 217, our answer makes sense. It's logical. That's something reasonable I could have gotten. Lost the pen. There it is. So you need to finish the rest of these and check your answers with Ms. Norwood before you go, or with the answer sheet before you go on to the quiz, which is on paper for this one.